I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You said...
Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Bridgetta. Today I'm making blueberry muffins. You're going to need an egg, baking powder, butter, sugar, flour, of course blueberries, the best looking blueberries you could find in Central Florida, cinnamon, milk, vegetable oil, and salt. I've made a lot of muffins over the years, and as a matter of fact, when our boys were young, I used to call myself Muffin Mom. And that was because I made so many different kind of muffins and I made them a lot. But I haven't made this recipe in a while. I'm so excited because of the UPICK blueberries. So here's my muffin pan. These are silicone pieces that go inside, and you could take out what you don't need. As a matter of fact, I have 2 of these pans. But I also want to use the parchment paper liners. Try something different. So they just drop in. First thing you want to do when you get your freshly picked strawberries home is wash them. We're not going to need all of these strawberries, so I've washed them, and now I'm going to let them dry on this pan. Once they've dried, then I'm going to put them in the freezer. I'll store them there until I need until I need blueberries for my next recipe. I need 1 cup for my recipe. So I might as well just get them from here. These are big and beautiful, very blue, which is what we want. While our oven's preheating, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So I have flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Just give that a quick whisk to combine it. You could sift it, but you don't have to. The whisk will do some of that for you. Next, for our liquid ingredients, we're starting with 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And I'm going to add 1 egg. And then I'm going to add milk. I want the total of these liquid ingredients to equal 1 cup. So your amount may vary. This is 1 large egg, but sometimes those vary in size a little bit too. So we just want 1 full cup. And we'll stir that. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry. And then we'll combine this. Our next step is going to be to add the blueberries. But before we do that, if you don't know this trick, we need to add some flour to the blueberries. And that's because we don't want them to just fall to the bottom. So we're just going to take a small amount of flour and dust them. That gives them something to stick to. So now we're going to add our blueberries. And we're just going to fold them in. Then we're going to be putting them in the muffin cups. All right, that looks good. Now I'm going to scoop them into the muffin liners. Of course, you don't have to use muffin liners. I just think it looks nicer. But since I'm using the silicone cups, my baking time is probably going to be a little bit longer than yours. Now we're ready for the topping. We have to combine our flour. Here we go. Sugar, ground cinnamon, and butter. Use my hands to help break up the butter and combine it. All right, now I'm going to top each muffin. I think this is a little bit more than what I need, and I'll save the rest for my next batch. Oops. Don't want any to get away. So you determine how much you want on each muffin. So it's set 400 degrees, like I said, for about 22 minutes.
Hey.
Hey, I got on my blueberry picking hat.
It was fun yesterday going out there in the field.
It was nice. The weather was cool, very cool for Central Florida at this time of the year, and it was very windy, but we liked it a lot. The place was really cool.
Only 5 minutes from the house.
The music was playing. They had a food vendor. There was a fair amount of people out there picking.
It was pretty neat.
Yeah.
Wish you could smell this. The house smells just fantastic.
Like blueberries. So we're going to cut it in half.
Nice crunchy top.
Mm-hmm. All right. I don't want to smush the blueberries underneath.
There's no delicate way to dive into this.
Know.
Right out of the oven. Ooh, crumbly,
Is it still
warm.
too hot?
No.
Oh, I see steam.
Ooh, hot.
Maybe we should have waited longer.
Mmm.
Oh, man. Now, you don't have to do the crumbly top. We've done it both ways.
That's an awesome muffin.
That was really good.
Delicious.
I like the crunchiness on top. And it's still moist inside. Wow.
Nice.
It is nice.
Plenty of blueberries left over.
A lot to freeze, yep. Mm-hmm. That's great. Thanks for watching, and welcome to any new subscribers, and thanks to everyone who's been watching. We'll see you again real soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course the recipe is going to be in the description box. We'll see you soon.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.